Tired of sending your BOM to SMT manufacturers for a quote, only to wait 3 days for a vague lump sum with no breakdown of costs? You have no idea where extra charges are added or where you can cut expenses. Here at Shenzhen Newei Industrial, we deliver exceptionally fast BOM quotations. Submit your BOM before 3 p.m. on working days, and you will receive a detailed quote the very same day. It clearly breaks down material costs, working hours, and fixture allocation. Every charge is fully justified with no hidden fees. We also include Preliminary DFM Suggestions with each quote, pointing out unnecessary costs and potential savings. Even if we do not end up cooperating, our professional quote will serve as a valuable reference for you. Want to test our response speed? Send us your BOM via private message. We will start the timer right away and let you see how our efficiency outperforms your current supplier.